I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your environment, Python 3. 10 or newer, a reliable editor and basic libraries installed. Read the problem statement twice and highlight required input and output formats. This prevents wasted time on wrong assumptions. Once done, write 2-3 sample inputs and expected outputs, then pick the simplest data structure that fits constraints. This first step speeds implementation, so start coding only after you can explain the approach in one sentence. You now translate the sketch into a clear, testable function, separate parsing, core logic, and output formatting. Make smaller helper functions to keep complexity low and add assertions for example cases. If constraints are tight, choose ON or O, N log N algorithms. Profile mentally which loop or data access is costly. Use Python built-ins like collections and heap to reduce bugs and boilerplate. Once implemented, run the samples and refine until results match exactly. You finish by testing edge conditions, maximum size inputs, and a few random cases to expose hidden bugs. Make sure to remove diagnostic prints and refactor for clarity. Cleaner code often has fewer errors. If tests fail on hidden cases, add minimal trace prints to reproduce the issue locally or simplify the function to isolate the failing part. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior differs only on Hackerrank, double-check input parsing and new line handling. Those are common gotchas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.